My name is Rebecca Franklin. I am a former teacher and I taught for maybe about 17 years. I decided I needed a career change and I sought Augusta Tech out, and I ended up doing the electrical computer engineering classes. When I considered going back to school, my biggest concern was finances. I heard about the WORC scholarship originally through a friend, and then I came on campus. If I could describe the WORC scholarship to future students, I would describe it as empowering because they offer internships and mentorships and real-world experiences that would help you continue through your success here at Augusta Tech. I am currently interning at SRNL. The internships was what I needed because it was going to give me an opportunity to see what the engineering field was about and experience what the engineering field was about. After graduation, I see myself moving into this career and continue my professional development. Electrical engineering was my dream to do. I just never thought I could do it. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the greatest opportunity that put me in a position to further my career and allow me to grow and accept me in this area.